In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make restaurant reservations inside Google Maps on PC. First, open Google in your web browser and search for the restaurant you want to book a table at. From the search results, click the listing and open it in Google Maps. Once the restaurant's information panel appears, look for the Reserve a Table or Reservations option on the left side of the screen. Next, click Reserve to view available time slots. Select your preferred date, time, and number of guests. After that, follow the on-screen steps to confirm your booking. You may be redirected to a reservation partner site to complete the process. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check your reservation details to make sure everything is correct, including the date, time, and number of guests. This helps avoid any booking mistakes or missed reservations. Once confirmed, your reservation will be saved, and you can view the details anytime through your Google account or the booking service. And that's it! You now know how to make restaurant reservations on Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.